What is up, guys? And today I did went to get some material. And what I'm gonna try to build, I have an idea on how to make a cool lighting setup for the car shows to light up my car in a different way. And what I thought is like, it's something like an overhang over my car, and then here it's gonna be like a LED box. Like there's gonna be a halo, a square halo or a round halo over my car, instead of having the thing that everybody has. It's like a neon stripe around it. I have already neon under my car, so I thought, why don't make the car stand out, having light from above it like a halo. So my idea might not work, but I mean, let's try.
The truth is both healing and deadly. Truth can reveal.
So my idea here is to place the first leg here, like this, and I have a triangle shape here to support it.
Let me know. Many lames tried to box me in. Got them stuck with the lemon face every time I win. Loony buffoons in my presence can't pretend that they don't want me under the earth, smothered in dirt. Mothers in black crying in church. Big body tings, I can't fit up in your hearse. Oh, you mad little nigga, cause I finally know my worth. Started daily affirmations, learn to put God first. Demons move better when you upgrade yourself. Well, I'm a still soldier in the army of the Lord, living by the pen but not afraid to die by my sword. I talk heavy cause I walk heavy with the Holy Spirit. This divine connection got me feeling fearless. I'm wise enough to know not to move reckless. Always remain humble, cause even the most favored man by God could yet and still certainly lose it all. Don't get high up on your horse, you just might stumble and fall. No life insurance or a will, now your family holding dead weight. Meetings with your lawyers and ain't nothing in the briefcase. Mom's yelling to the Lord, help us for peeps sake. Ego on 10, but you softer than the cheesecake. Lip service is what you give when it's time to get down. That's why.
So here we are after half an hour. I had to lay down my GoPro because the battery was off. Everything went fine except the last welds. I don't know why. I'm still having trouble to figure out some troubleshooting when the machine starts to act weird. I don't know what's wrong and why, like bad metal preparation or something, I don't know. But anyway, here what do we have? We have this base, which this base will be under the wheel, and then we have this here with a support bracket, and then we're gonna put this smaller thing inside here, and then we have this thing, and from that thing I will hang lights, something like this, but this point will go over the car, and then it's gonna hold like a ring light or a big cube or something over the car. So instead of having lights under the car, instead of having neon lights around the car, not the underglows, the car underglows, I'm gonna have this thing here.
Oh, sell a couple herbs in the suburbs. Sell a couple words over beats. Sell the devil your soul for some material.
Okay, that was pretty easy. I found the fog lights switch. This switch here is this thingy here. It comes from the left side. If you take a look of it from the driver's thing, this thing here. So the wire is gonna go to this thing, and when I push the button, it's gonna switch on the LED lights, the underglow. I'm gonna have to reroute now the wiring. So basically my idea is to run it behind the suspension. Cheaper, faster solution to do without making any new holes into the chassis or anything, because anyway I'm gonna do a harness later on this year. I thought I'm gonna just take the module and just shove it up here, pass it through the wiring here over the lights, and then I'm gonna just this wire tack it up really nicely. I can do behind the brake lines here and like route it slowly here, tucked up nice, and make my way to to the placements. I think this is the more fastest way to do it. There is no need now to do any fancy work anyway, because we will do a new harness in a few months.
Some material things, sell a woman a ring for dedication to me. Sell a king a crown that he will never receive. Sell a slave a promise, but he will never be free. Sell a child a dream, then tell him it's just a dream. Then tell him he need to wake up, it's something he'll never be.
So one is in. I fit it on the skirt. I mean, it's not the perfect fit. As you see, there's a whole big space there untouched. And here also. So basically it's from here until here. We have a lot of gaps. It's not perfect, yeah, but I think when I'm gonna put the ECU and the new harness, maybe I'm gonna try to make a custom one, or maybe make 2 in 1 or something. I don't know, because I really want to make it like, you know, from an end to an end. Well, hopefully this one will fit good and look good as much as possible for now. Yeah, anyway, let's go.
Sell the police department a new casualty. Then tell them that you a killer that never planned to be free. I never planned to be me, I only plan to be I. That other vision of me is created within a lie, and that's money. Control it. It's like devotion. Promises, they keep on promising. We don't do showdowns at high noon, dueling for drive.
Okay, I think we found a simple, effective route here, along with the brake lines and the handbrake lines. Because don't forget, we got 2 lines. We got one, the stock brakes, and we have the handbrake also, as I have them separately. We got it. So let's clean the surface here and stick the light. So then we can start tacking in and splashing in the wires to be close to the chassis with zip ties or whatever we find, and how we gonna do it, I'm not sure. There are some places that they are not helpful, but we're gonna find a way to keep everything safe and away from moving parts, so it doesn't break the wires. Yeah, let's move. So the idea is I'm trying to route the cables somehow like this to be more safe and out of zones. And what I came up with is I have this zip ties, which is, let me show you like this. One end is like this, and small zip tie, which you can make drill a small hole, put it inside, and it will clamp and it will stay out. So kind of, I don't know if you can see it, kind of like this. So yeah, basically let's start routing and see how it goes.
That's how you die soon, rather by typhoon. Jacking off weak, off the tramadol, acting all breathing, over analog. So tag along with the vagabonds, plus burn the dead, pilfering. Stakes with the silver skin, burn the Zet. Yeah, a gang of field downtrodden with some Coloradans out in math, bumping sound guiding. Nodding off from the nectar in the glass. Lectures from the...
So another day, as usually. I had to skip some of the working. So we are done. We are done with the underglow. Let me show you where I've installed it. I'm gonna just have to turn it on here, put the button. Oop. You press the foggy lights and we have
Pass. How much cash can we amass? Alas, before we reach an impasse, a gas. Control it. It's like devotion. Promises, they keep on promising.
So basically, yeah, pretty easy. I put it on the fog lights here. Just let me turn it off so it doesn't drain out my battery. I'll give you a second and I'm gonna show you. You've seen the whole wiring and the layout of the lights and everything. And what I did for now, it's not temporary, but it's just for now. The box of the lights come here, and then the cable, I've soldered and wired the cable and put it here. So this is for now, not pretty decent work for now, because later anyway, with the new harness later this year, with the new Link ECU, I'm gonna do the whole wiring proper, nice and clean, to please my OCD. And I mean, I know it's a race car and you don't have to be so like tidy and everything with it, but because this is my one and only for now, and I want this car to be my best job ever. As I'm sure I will build another missile for sure, for Greece at least, or somewhere else in our country, but I want this dude gonna be looking good. So yeah, for the next one we're wrapping the fenders and the front bumper, and probably we're gonna redesign a bit of the livery. I want to make a few changes in the livery, and also some of the stickers will go out, some new partners will go on, as you may know, and prepare the car for the next shows in 2 months. So yeah, we have quite a few work to do, and also I have to plan and mock up the places where we're gonna put the ECU and the PDM, because we've spoke with some creators and 3D guys who will help me finally bring the car into Assetto Corsa. It's been a few years I'm trying to do it, but the car was never on a point where it was like finalized, and now I think the car is on a level where it's really something different from the rest of what you've seen in the world, online, I don't know, but I mean, there are body kits like this online, but there is no like combination of all of this together in a way like I have it at the moment. So yeah, so we're gonna build the car for Assetto Corsa also, our Kansai style E46. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.
How much cash can we amass? Alas, before we reach an impasse, I guess.